Hey guys, it's your girl CC back with another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is CC. I hope you see something today that inspires you to subscribe. If you're already a family member, welcome back, fam. Today I'm giving y'all some content that I hope is helpful. So my goal is to always teach, reach, and inspire. So I hope that this content inspires you guys to get your life together, because that's what I'm trying to do. So today I'm actually here with organizer extraordinaire Katina from Love by Camping. She's going to help me organize this RV for functionality for a family of 5. So we'll see you guys soon, and hopefully we can get this RV organized. So what you doing, Katina?
So what I'm doing is measuring the cabinets, because often people go to the store and purchase containers, because like that's the first thing we do. I'm like, no. Well, first we declutter, but we always want to make sure what we purchase actually fits.
Okay.
Right? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm measuring to see how much height we have.
Grayson. So first step, measure. Well, first step, declutter.
I'm like, you skipped a step, babe. You skipped a step.
First step, declutter.
She skipped a step.
I skipped that step for sure. Well, I kind of decluttered, because y'all know we just moved in, so I kind of decluttered. Second step, measure. So we're going to get all of these things measured, and then we'll see you guys later. So you say good morning to the people?
Good morning, people.
So we have our measurements, and we're off. So first things first, coffee.
That's neat. Because it hangs up and it allows you to have a drawer and fold some stuff. So that's a neat idea. This would be too long, but something like that might work in Gabe's, because he could kind of have his stuff in there. But this is what I was talking about, which we can definitely get cheaper. But these are pretty sturdy. Like drawer organizers as a good way to put intimates and stuff that you can fold pretty small, and then you can fit a ton of them in there. Oh, here's one that's open. We didn't open this Target. It was already open.
Because even to organize my drawers now currently.
Right.
Yeah.
But you could just see how many pairs of underwear you could fit in here.
And
how many pairs of bras, and how many bras you could pairs of bras. But they do come in twos. But how many bras? I'm like, pairs of bras, that's not right. But how many bras you could actually fit?
Yeah. That's good. And then are they all different sizes?
I think so. That was a drawer organizer set.
Yeah.
So if you had one drawer, then you could, kind of depends on what you want.
Okay.
You could use them this way and put like maybe socks in one. Or if you want one big one. Now shoe boxes work too, FYI, if you have a bigger drawer. But
okay.
But it kind of shows you how you could even, depending on how big the drawer is, you can almost do 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Even like to put in the bottom of the closet.
Right, to put in the bottom of the closet.
That's amazing. First stop was Target. Our next stop is the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, but I don't see the plus section. Ooh.
But our organizer extraordinaire has not found the section she wants to be in.
Yeah, I'm looking for Dollar Tree Plus. Ooh.
She's looking for Dollar Tree Plus.
Because that stuff is $3 to $5 on that aisle. Maybe right here. But still. Okay. They revived themselves. See what I mean? These are much. So we have a couple things we can do here.
Katina is up here opening these people boxes
But I
because
need them to do stock so I can see what it is. No, it's more of these, which are vacuum storage, which is still a good idea.
we have some.
But I thought it was this stuff.
Look at her working at the Dollar Tree.
Okay, so since that's messing up my color scheme, do you want to go to black?
Yeah.
I did blue for Damiana. Do they have a black one this size?
What
They're
size
getting-
is this one?
They're getting on my nerves.
All right. Next stop, Dollar General. This is Katina's favorite. So she's excited. And we're gonna go see what we can see. We are at our next stop. And if y'all don't recognize it, it's Walmart.
Lidded storage. Okay.
All right, y'all, so we are back, and this is I'll show y'all like a little bit of this is the things that we bought, and we have a lot of work to do. So Katina just went to her house to drop some stuff off, and then we're gonna get to organizing and decluttering, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, so the first step for this cabinet was to pull everything out. So that is what we did, and I will show you guys the after. All right, so this is what we're looking like now. It did not look like this before. All my cooking stuff is down here. We have our alcohol closet. This is like cooking and bug repellent stuff. We got an empty space up here. So far so good, y'all. Y'all know I've been working on this pantry, and I try to get it right, but it ain't right. She done found my secret stash.
Secret stash.
But let me show y'all what else we've done so far. Well, I haven't done much of anything. Katina did it all. But everything has a home. She even organized the junk drawer. Like, I didn't even know we had candles. My Instant Pot is finally in the kitchen with me. I'm so happy, so excited to see what else she does. So, yeah. What you say the next thing was?
We can't buy any more food. We being CC cannot buy any more food until we cook up. And you told me you enjoy like going through leftovers, so you need to have a pantry week
Purge.
where we cook up and use up, because a lot of this stuff that's way back in here, you didn't know it was here. It's going to get expired, and we don't want to throw it away. That's like a waste. So, you know, it's called snack on what's here. We don't have the snacks you want. We can't buy new snacks until we eat up this. Right? Right. Yes. That's what we got to do. We need to make funnel cakes, peeps. Who has funnel cake mix at their house? I just need to know. Poll your subscribers, baby. Do you have funnel cake mix at your house?
Yes.
And the answer for Cece is, why, yes, I do. Girl, we need to have a whole fair. A funnel cake, donuts. She can make her own donuts. Candy melts. That's all about 2-3 egg things. What we got? We got an egg. Wait a minute. Hold up. What is this? I ain't never seen a donut cutter, and this is like an egg thing. What is this?
It's an egg bite.
Egg
mold.
bites, because we're going to make, what'd you tell me?
Corn dogs.
Corn dogs. Regular people just go ahead and buy corn dogs from somewhere. Not these people. They make their own corn dogs. Yes. You know you a chef when you got a whole thing. Okay, yeah. No more food can be purchased.
So yeah, she ain't even seen this freezer or refrigerator yet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be back, y'all. I'm gonna be back. All right, y'all. So last closet of the day is Tootie's closet, and let's just say Katina has her work cut out for her, but I know that she can do it because let me show y'all Gabriel's closet. She got him together, so he is good to go. We are going to continue to work through this process and get it all done. But this little boy's closet, Grayson has more clothes than anybody. He has more clothes than anybody in this RV. So we shall see what happens. So here's another look at the before. Woo! And I'll see you guys back for the after. Okay, you guys, so I definitely still have some work to do, but it is so much more livable right now. So let me show y'all the bathroom. We were even able to get a little decor in here. Now the bathroom I have to organize. We did not touch this room, but your girl did get a little bit of fall decor going. I just wanted to show y'all. So yes, and then we organized my closet. And then we organized Grayson's closet, which I'm so glad. He has a whole bunch of like little stuff that has to be fixed. Soraya's closet. Gabe's closet. The kitchen pantry looks amazing. We organized up top is organized, but the kids have already been in there messing with stuff. I'll show y'all. Kitchen cabinets. I told y'all she organized the junk drawer. And then I still got space down here. And then this cabinet. Also, we went ahead and organized the cabinets upstairs. It's a little bit of decor going on up here as well. So I really love it. But this is organized. And then the bar cabinet. So literally within a couple of hours, my RV is now more livable. Of course, you know, organization is a living, breathing thing, and so we're definitely still have some work to do, and we're going to continue to work through this, but for now it's livable. So thank you so much, Katina. If you guys don't know, her channel is Love by Camping, and they also have an RV, so make sure you check them out. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Peace.